Here is the quick guide to find your FIFA 17 config file in seconds. Let's jump straight into it. Open a file explorer and navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, open the FIFA setup folder and double click on FIFA config application and select yes. Select game settings. Change the game settings you want, and after changing it, select the OK option and it's gonna be saved. Select the exit option. I'll show you guys another location to modify your game settings. Go to documents and open the FIFA 17. Right click on the FIFA setup and select edit in notepad. Here you can change your game settings and then select file and select save to save it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.